Hi, Kim. I got your file. Thanks for sending it. If we start at weekly sales, you look like you're doing good. It doesn't look like you're done, but it looks like the numbers here are all good. So that's great. Then if we move to hours sales Sunday, this is where it starts to break down. And the only thing I can think is that at some point you copied everything across. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the real numbers onto your file and send it back to you. Because I looked at Monday, hourly sales Monday, and you're still good. So I think it was just that hourly sales Sunday. Somewhere along the way, you had selected this and copied it across. So I'm going to go ahead and send that back to you so you can finish up your assignment for the prepare case. Okay, so then let's look at your other question. Okay, so on the books inventory for step 4, it says in D6, so I have your file up. In D6, right here, enter a formula to calculate. So right away, we're not looking at a function, we're just going to do a formula here to calculate the total cost of inventory for gym shorts depending on price per unit and quantity in stock. So the price per unit for one pair of shorts is $16.99. If we have 6 in stock or 5 in stock, it would be 5 times the price, and that would give us a total amount of money tied up in these gym shorts. So I'm sitting in D6 and I'm going to do equal the price per unit times quantity in stock, and that's it. So it's like if you're going to the grocery store, and you're buying 2 loaves of bread, and the bread's $1 each. 2 times $1 is $2, the total cost of your bread. If the bread's $1.50, then it's 2 times $1.50, or $3 for the total cost of your bread. And that's the same thing here. We have gym shorts for $16.99 and 5 of them on our shelves. So we multiply it to figure out. And then let's look at this. B6 times D6. Yeah, I don't think these belong here. I think I would get rid of this because that does not look right. Because the total is only going to go on this row. So we have this one. So now I can just drag that down. And then, you could copy it and paste it here. Paste it here. So all I did was I did a Control C, and now I'm just going to these areas and doing a Control V, and it copies that formula, right? So now we have all of those. And so they said to copy it all the way down and then go back and delete it. And you can certainly do it that way. So in E10, this is where the total is going to be, and I'll finish this one. So in E10, enter a function to calculate the total cost of all gym shorts in inventory found in the range of D6 through D9. So what we want here is, here's our inventory cost, right? So in this cell, we're going to do equal sum, or you could do the auto sum up here, and we're going to select these cells, right? So in total, our gym shorts, we have a little over $1,000 invested in that, in gym shorts, right? So I'm going to open this up so I'm here, I can do auto sum, and it's going to come up here, and that's wrong. So I'm going to reselect it and just hit enter. I'm going to go and do that at the end of every grouping here. So auto sum, select these cells, enter. Come down here, and we can't really do a copy because there's a different number of items in the different categories. So it's really just easier to do it and select it, right? So all I'm doing is auto sum and then picking the total there, right? So now we have, for each category, we have the cost tied up, right? So now let's see, E40, let's make sure I did this down to E40, yep. So that is step 4 and step 5. So hopefully that'll help you. Let me know if there's a problem. All right, thanks.